Hello, this is Michael Canet with Eternal Networks. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about virtualization. That's a topic that comes up frequently when I'm talking with business owners about their information technology and how they can best use it for their business. First, I want to explain a little bit about what virtualization is, and I'll try not to get too technical here. Virtualization allows you to install multiple virtual machines. They can be servers or workstations on a single piece of hardware. In order to do this, you have to have an operating system called a hypervisor. VMware is the most common one that allows you to layer different virtual machines on top of it. And what virtualization does is it allows you to be a little bit more efficient in your use of hardware. In the past, you used to have to be able to buy a physical system for each thing that you needed to do. So if you needed a server to run your email, then you'd have to buy a box that would run your email server. You'd have to buy another one for an application server, another one for SQL Server. Now with virtualization, you're able to buy one piece of hardware, add enough memory, hard drive space, and CPU power to it, and have multiple servers running virtually on that same physical piece of hardware. So one, it saves you money on the amount of hardware that you need to buy. And two, it also makes it a little bit more secure. If you have Windows installed on a computer, anybody can walk up to it, plug a USB into it, plug a monitor into it, and they can see what's going on that server. With virtualization, there is no access at that physical, the physical USB to the virtual machines running on it. There's layers of protection on there protecting the actual servers that are running virtually. For industries like healthcare, where there's HIPAA compliance, legal industry, where there's sensitive information on those systems, that's a very important piece of security to have in place. And third, I like this because I'm an IT guy, it makes it a little bit easier to manage the system. We can remotely access those virtual machines and reboot them, reset them, back them up, restore them much easier without having to go on site and actually touching the hardware to fix it. So we're able to restore issues much quicker than in the past. If you have any questions, please comment below. Love to hear your feedback. And also, if you have other questions that you'd like us to cover on future videos, post them as well.